Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a phone hologram edit in the CapCut mobile. So here you just need to add your video playing on your phone, for example like this. Then click on overlay and then click on the video you want to show on the hologram. So for example, I've already pre-recorded my Instagram timeline like this. Click on add. Okay, and then adjust the overlay to be above the phone. Here, go to transform and crop the video so that the button is not showing up like this. Click on the check icon. Let's adjust the position. Okay, and now go to blend and choose filter. Adjust it to around 80. Click on the check icon. So here I think the blend, okay, let's go with 100. Go to mask and choose horizontal. Now drag the feather to have that hologram effect like this. Click on the check icon. I think I'm going to adjust the brightness of the main video so that the hologram will be more visible. Okay, next add keyframes to make the hologram move along with the phone, but since this video is not moving the phone, so this will be the final result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.